Welcome to Performance Unlimited. On our dyno today, we've got one of our 347 stroker Ford 400 horsepower packages, which basically is 302 with the stroker kit in it, Eagle kit, bottom end kit, Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads, as well as an Edelbrock intake and a 750 Edelbrock carburetor. This package also gets the MSD billet distributor with your choice of plug wires and also your choice of paint color. This customer went for the Ford blue and the blue matching blue spark plug wires. Of course, all our engines feature hydraulic roller cams for the most part. We do not build any flat tappet camshafts anymore because of the problem with the lobes wearing out. So if you're interested in an engine like this or any one of our many packages that we offer on our website, give us a call or send us an email. There's a link on the website.